What's up, YouTube? You wanted it, so here it is, man. The 2014 Dodge Charger SRT8 with the Hellcat spoiler and the Z1 add-ons Wicker bill. I'm gonna get straight into it. Here we go. I'm gonna give you a full walk around, man, because this is not easy to find. This particular build and add-on on Google image search or YouTube. So I'm gonna just give you a full view so you can make a decision. And you can just pause it whenever you want to. I'm just gonna try and get this video done quick. Get you the views you want. So I've seen this with the 2015 to 2017. I do think it looks better. Something to consider is the trunk deck lid on 2015 to 17. It goes up higher, and so it creates a little bit of a different look. Also on the 2015 to 17, there's a angle right here, and there's also the vent right there, so it makes the back end look quite a bit different, but I still think this looks sexy. I don't know if it looks a whole lot sexier than the built-in one, or you know, this car came with the spoiler that kind of comes up a little bit. It's a little higher. It's the standard SRT8 Charger unit. I'll give you a quick rundown of how hard installing was. Spoiler was super easy. Wicker bill took a little while to understand the rivet gun, but after you understand the rivet gun, it's really just drilling your pilot holes, putting your rivets in there and going. All in, I took my time on it. I think the whole project took me about 4 hours, spoiler and both pieces of the Wicker bill. If I was comfortable with sloppiness, I probably could have got it done in about 2.5, but measuring twice, cutting once, took about 4 hours. Best of luck, guys.